Well, good morning. We're here at Nasser's training camp, and we are just outside Barcelona. Team's here. We have tested yesterday, and today we're doing some more testing. We're really excited to be on this track. It's very technical. There's jumps, very tight turns, lots of exposure. So we have to be careful as well. We don't want to pile the car before the race, knock on wood. Should be a good run.
Listening at all. That's like 25 feet of air. You broke the rule.
The morning was quite good. We ended up putting down about 8 laps this morning, making sure that everything's still working well. We are trying out a new spring in the truck that's pretty big, but overall, you know, Adam was passenger with me through the whole time, and there's photographs and video going on. So I think it went well. We're still trying to keep the level a bit low so we don't run off the track and pile the cars. But we're still, trying to test everything out. So we still have to kind of go fast. But it's definitely fun. This track's pretty sweet, and really enjoying the experience of being here and all the technical turns and the jumps that I'm not supposed to be doing is great.
Now there ain't nothing to it. Go ahead and bring the light on. Ain't no giant, I ain't gon' fire on. Catch a fade, I'm wrong, I'm gone. Y'all can catch the wave that I am on. I am icon, y'all are wide wrong. Think that I'm more reconcilable, so ain't nothing to it though. This is on me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Keeping it true to from 10 L's into a milli though. But they already knew that those farewell to your opinions. Know that he is some. This is all me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Yeah, keeping it true to from but they already knew that I'ma show you who I am unbreakable. I don't think you understand. Watch me escape the world. The world is in my hands, I am unbreakable. I'ma show you who I am.
We couldn't have had a better opportunity to be able to test the car out. We are definitely looking at this differently now because we've been able to test the vehicle out, stress it out, and we don't have any of the issues that we had in Morocco, thank goodness.